Achiedh nade chalo manyalo biro kwako chenro mag od bura mamalo kaluwore gi ng'anyo ma jod bura chano bago kagisundo piny owacho mondo ochwal omenda mag aguch NG-CDF. Twak ewi wach mar CDF ne okwako od bura ka jatend jod bura manok Opiyo Wandayi wacho ni giikore mar thiro chenro mag od bura kapo ni ok ochwal omenda go. Jatend kweth mathoth Kimani Chungwa bende ne otielo wachni mar midhiero no. Achiedh nade wi CDF ne ochakore tok do ng'ado ni agulu no ochuogi e tok chik.
Would have been ordered to ask you, Mr. Speaker, that this matter be directed to the leader of majority, that he engages with the executive, and in particular the cabinet secretary responsible for national treasury, by next week at the very latest, to make an equivocal undertaking as to when the first disbursements of the NG-CDF funds are going to hit the accounts of the respective constituencies. And may I also dare say, Mr. Speaker, and this is no empty threat, that failure to do that, I will be moving members of the House to refrain from any talk of recess, firstly, and secondly, to refrain from any engagement on any business. Not until and unless NG-CDF funds are disbursed.
There's absolutely no reason why the National Treasury should not be disbursing our CDF, and I will indeed, as soon as, before even the House rises, I will engage with the Cabinet Secretary so that before we even consider breaking for recess, we have both NG-CDF and GAF and all other monies, even those that pertain to our county governments, being disbursed to our county so that government may start functioning in earnest, including NG-CDF and all the other affirmative funds.